What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This package was sent to me by the Apex Pass-Around group, so by extension, usually every now and then it's somebody else's knife, like from the Pass-Around group, and they're nice enough to just send it to all of us, but it's usually sent by the manufacturer, so excited to get in there. As usual, guys, I do have Patreon, so if you'd like to support this channel at the same time, get your hands on some cool stickers and my once-a-week Patreon exclusive content, feel free to check out that link, as well as links for knives like this Rainbow Lady of the Sea here, so that you can do a precision job of unboxing your packages at home. Check out my links. I've got lots of cool stuff down there. Okay, we have some brown paper and a white... Oh, here we go. Ooh! Oh, I know what this is. Sorry, I sort of unceremoniously tossed the sticker off to the side there. Oh, awesome. I'm like the last person in the world to handle... Well, there's two of these. I'm pretty sure that I know... Oh. This is the bigger one. Yeah, okay, guys. Zach stuff. Check out Zach stuff. Also, this was sent to me by Blade Banter, so check out Blade Banter as well. This is the... It's the Neutron, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure it's the Three Rivers Neutron. Oh, boy. Look at this. Very straightforward. You guys know I'm a big fan of simplicity. Yep. Okay, that's wonderful. Very, very straightforward blade shape. Nice it's sort of like a much less intense Shaman. And not, obviously this is a different knife from the Shaman completely. What I mean is the way that they've done this area up here where you can choke up, right? It's not really a forward choil, but at the same time, you really can get right behind the blade without having to force your finger into a position where you risk running up because of there being a lack of room. No, it's just like the handle or the area behind the blade just extends up right behind this sharpening choil, which curves down. Interesting. Okay, so right away, first impressions are fit and finish is excellent. It's very lightweight. It's incredibly easy to deploy. That's given the area where you get your finger in behind this stud here. Yeah, right away I can see why people like this. I'm pretty sure that Atom is the small one and the Neutron is the large one. Every single knife channel except mine handled that knife in 2019. So here it is 2020, and I'm sure everybody's like, yeah, okay, well, everybody's moving on. Comes with, well, I imagine this is an option. This looks like micarta. That I would probably opt for this. Nice, very nice. You guys want me to lay that on there so you guys can see? Ooh, wow, here. Let's dress her up a little bit. There we go. Very cool. Okay, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. I'm sure there's a lot of you who are excited to see my video on this. I will be taking an in-depth look in a review, but for today, that's going to be pretty much it. Like I said, make sure and check out my link for Patreon or just some of the cool stuff that I show on the channel all the time, you know, knives and EDC gear, maintenance stuff, all sorted neatly down there in the description for you to check out. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.